कंटेंट कंजम्पशन की स्पेस में जिस तरह का शिफ्ट हमने ऑफ लेट एक्सपीरियंस किया है उसकी वजह से एक्टर्स के लिए अक्रॉस लैंग्वेजेस काम करना आसान हो गया है एंड द लेटेस्ट एंट्री टू दिस लिस्ट इज एन एक्ट्रेस जो डाउन साउथ बहुत सारी फिल्म्स में काम कर चुकी हैं, अपने टैलेंट की वजह से अपनी पहचान बना चुकी है एंड इज नाउ ऑल सेट फॉर हर बॉलीवुड डेब्यू विद हंगामा 2। मैं बात कर रही हूँ टैलेंटेड एंड गॉर्जियस प्रणीता सुभाष की। सो वार्म वेलकम टू यू प्रणीता ऑन पंजाब केसरी नवोदय टाइम्स।
Thank you.
So firstly,
Thank you.
congratulations on your marriage and congratulations on your debut in Bollywood. So welcome to Bollywood.
Thank you.
Okay. So tell me, पहली film, which is of course, you are debuting in it, release होने वाली है. So how are you feeling right now? Nervousness ज़्यादा है, excitement ज़्यादा है?
Both. I think an equal amount of nervousness and excitement because it's a new audience, new language, everything's so new that I'm definitely excited. But I'm also really nervous because there's going to be so many comparisons, whether it's the old Hangama, new one, or other South actors debuting in Bollywood. So much comparison. That's why.
Okay, so अपने role के बारे में बताइए and how did doing Hangama 2 land on your shoulders?
I play a girl next door. It's a college girl, and how certain things happen, and how she ends up in their house, in the hero's house, and how the story unfolds from there. That's what the movie's about. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
Okay, but since this is your debut in Bollywood, were you expecting a big theatrical release? Because down south, I believe, it's very huge, like a fanfare. So how, disappointing is this not getting that?
Absolutely. I definitely would have loved for it to be a theatrical release. And I think the producers also waited for a year or so because, but then the second wave happened and now they're telling us that there's a third wave. So which is why I think they just decided, okay, we're just going to go ahead with whatever we have right now. So yeah.
Okay, so you're okay कि अभी digital debut भी हो रहा है, so because I think this also gives.
I mean, I have to be. It's also you got to change with the times, and I think now everyone's watching content on OTT. So why not?
Correct. But tell me something, Pranita. आपने down south, बहुत सारी languages में films की हैं, and you've made a name for yourself. अब starting in another language from scratch. So was it kind of challenging, or you were like you're up for it?
Yes, challenging, but also it's a challenge I really enjoy because I think I've done this before where I had to make a transition from Kannada to Telugu and so on. And I think now this transition is more or less something that every actor when they start off with will want to do a Hindi film, and this is where we are, so why not?
Okay, but as a genre, how okay are you with comedy? Because बहुत मुश्किल होता है लोगों को हंसाना, and you are doing a comedy film with some of the stalwarts that we have in the industry.
The good thing is that I don't think that my character makes anyone laugh, and it also takes away a lot of pressure from my shoulders because it's just part of the story, and I think that's what matters more.
Okay, but जब आप scenes कर रही थी उन लोगों के साथ जो इंडस्ट्री में जाने जाते हैं, for people who have a perfect comic timing, since I mean as you said आपका रोल हालांकि वैसा नहीं है तो लोगों को हंसाने वाला, but were you in splits on the sets?
Yeah, of course. I think this especially like when there's Johnny Lever, Rajpal Ji, we've all grown up watching them, so it's kind of fun when they were around, and they're also funny in real life, so it's obviously fun hanging around them.
Okay, and how was it working alongside Mizan?
Mizan, of course, so he's comes well prepared, whether it's dancing, acting, in every aspect. So it's really nice, very smooth shooting with him as well.
Okay, anything worth sharing? कोई जैसे होता ना behind the scenes बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं which later on you remember and maybe you laugh about, smile about.
I think the thing about funny anecdotes that happen on set is when you're trying to talk about it much later, they don't sound funny enough. So, but I'm sure it was a lot of fun stuff happened throughout. So yeah.
Okay, and also with this film, Shilpa is making a comeback after many years. So,
yes.
Had you watched any of her films earlier, and then how was it?
Yeah, obviously I have, and I think that she has not aged a day older than she was when she's 25. 5. So it's really nice to see her there.
Okay. And now that you are in, you've stepped into this Bollywood industry, also आपकी एक और film आने वाली है, release होने वाली है. So are you looking at more work here?
Absolutely, because it's new, it's a new space and caters to a larger and different audience. So why not?
Okay. And as I said earlier, do you agree with this fact that, with OTT coming in the game, a lot of things have changed with how we as audience consume, the content now, and a lot of actors also are getting this freeway jahan par across languages acting has become easier, working has become easier. So you think OTT has been one of the biggest contributors to that?
OTT?
Yeah.
Yes, of course. I think especially girls were getting to do very, like, in theater, it's very much about hero-centric cinema, versus I think OTT has given an opportunity for actors to really branch out, and especially girls getting bigger meatier roles. So they're with OTT and really looking forward to all of that.
Okay. And talking about you, what are the kind of roles that आपको लगेगा या आप चाहते हैं कि आपको ऑफर हो, और जब वो ऑफर होंगे तो आप एक बार नहीं सोचेंगे हाँ करने से?
I think all different kinds of stuff, because like off late I've been really watching a lot of world cinema. Like I was watching Lupin the other day, and I don't know, maybe you can have a female version of Lupin or something like that. So there's just so many different things that we've been watching off late that you never know where boundaries can be and where you can remove boundaries, really. Yeah.
Okay. But Pranita, every actor has a bucket list of, work that they want to do, of directors they want to work with, of actors they want to work with. आपने ऐसी कोई bucket list तैयार की है for Bollywood?
I think it would be Karan Johar and maybe Zoya Akhtar for now. Yeah.
Okay. So that's the kind of work that you would like to do?
Yeah.
Okay. And, if we start about your career, आपने बहुत सारी films dance out की हैं. Now you've, stepped into the Bollywood space. But how did acting start for you? Like, शुरू से आप जानती थी कि you want to become an actor?
No, it just pretty much happened by chance. And then I think I was really young. Like I said, I think I was about 17 or 18, and then there was a film offered, and my dad said no, and then eventually took a while to convince him about the activity, and that's how the entire career shaped up.
Okay. And I'm sure ये question आपसे बहुत बार पूछा गया होगा that, दोनों industry में आपको difference क्या लगता है? Work culture में?
कुछ भी नहीं, मुझे तो लगता है कि same to same है, but I don't know कि लोग पूछते हैं, और because for me it was all the same. It's beyond language, and I think it was really nice.
Okay, all right. And also, apart from being an actor, apart from doing films and entertaining, everybody, आप एक social entrepreneur भी हैं, especially pandemic के time पे आपने बहुत सारा काम किया है. So please, would you like to share something about it?
Yeah, I think when we started off it started with medical camps and COVID crisis relief, like ration kit distribution and DBTs to daily wagers, etc. And eventually now, this year, it was all about oxygen concentrators, vaccination drives, blood donation camps, and things like that. So I think it's just more like about the need of the hour, and we're just seeing whatever is the need of the hour, and we're trying to pitch in from our side, whatever we can.
Correct. And also, ये pandemic की जो situation है, it has changed a lot of people, and of course, जिस तरह से हम सोचते हैं, has it changed you at all? And if yes, in what ways?
Yes, of course. I think it's really made us value what we have, and especially work. I think all of us take it for granted when we're working. We're always tired working, but then we realize only during the pandemic how much we value our.
Correct. Okay. And talking of work, apart from this release that you have coming up, and of course another Bollywood film that is due to release, और क्या है in terms of work? Where else are we going to see you?
There was quite a bit before the pandemic, but of course the pandemic has definitely derailed a lot of plans for a career plans for a lot of people, and it's the same with me. And let's see how it goes from here. I have to just wait for the next couple of months.
Okay, and so will we to watch you on screen and of course do a lot of Bollywood films. Pranita, last thing is, what is your message to your fans and people who would be on a lookout for Hungama 2?
To watch the movie when it releases, don't forget 23rd of July on Hotstar.
All right. So thank you so much for this interview.
Thank
and
you,
I wish
Nidhi.
you all
Nice
the luck
talking
for the
to you.
success of the film.